Hello students, welcome to online classes in RS Education Center Inter College. In previous video we will discuss about the heredity and variation. So today topic is Mendel's law. So Mendel's given the three laws. First one is a law of dominance. Second is the law of segregation, and third one is the law of the free assortment. So firstly we will discuss in a first law of dominance. In this law, the Mendel says that every gene has two alleles that can code or a trait. One allele is dominant characters, it's represent in a capital RR, and its meaning this is a tall characters, and the other allele is the small rr, this is a recessive characters, and they can show the height by the tall characters. Okay, one allele is recessive, meaning it will be marked by the presence of the dominant allele. Hybrid will always show the dominant phenotype. Hybrid means when the tall plant and dwarf plant cross together, so F1 generation shows the tall plant. This is known as a hybrid characters. Okay, and this one is a F1 generation. So this is a first law of dominance which given by the Mendel's. Okay, he says कि his characters is show in a tall nature, it's a dominance, and which characters is dwarf character show, this is a recessive characters. Okay, now second character is a next law is the law of segregation. Okay, according to this law of segregation, according to this law, Mendel says when F1 generation shows the all tall plants we discuss in a dominance characters, then F2 generations we will take a round sheet and wrinkled sheet. Round sheets denoted in a capital R and small r, and the wrinkled sheet also denoted in a capital R and small r. Then both are crossed in a F1 generation. The genotype come in a capital RR means tall plant. This one is a tall plant, and small r is a short dwarf plant. Okay, so he says when the tall plant cross with the tall plant do the self pollination, then F1 generation denote the all tall characters. Then after self pollination, gametes are separate, then capital R and capital small r, and this ratio is come out from this monohybrid cross. This is a pure plant, both are hybrid plant because dwarf character is covered by the tall plant, and this one is a pure dwarf plant. Okay, so genotype ratio is a 1:2:1. and the phenotypic ratio is the 3:1. So this cross known as a monohybrid cross or law of the segregation cross, law of the purity cross. Okay. Third law is the law of free assortment. Law of free assortment. In this law, all seeds are separate to individual into the F2 generation. Okay. In this law, Mendel's taken a round yellow and wrinkled green seeds. This one is a round yellow, denoted capital R is a round, and Y capital is a denoted yellow. Small r denoted is the wrinkled, and small is the Y is a denoted green. Okay. So this is a round yellow sheet and wrinkled green sheet. Okay. When crossed to both together and in the F1 generations, gametes are all round and yellow. This ratio is these gametes come in the F1 generation. Then after F2 generations, firstly we get the gametes and crossed. So F2 generations gametes is a capital RY and RY and small ry and small ry. So both the gametes have the crossed. Then after in the F2 generations found the result 9:3:1 means round 9 gametes are round yellow, 3 gametes are the round green, and 3 seeds are the green yellow, and the one seeds are present in a green yellow. Okay. So this is the third law of the Mendel, which denoted in a second generation of the F2, it will be the gametes will be the separate. So this law is known as the law of the free assortment of law. Okay. So these are 3 laws are very most important in a board exam. Okay. So please very carefully memorize and do it the practice in your homework. Thank you.